back to the Chugwater Chili Kitchen. We have another great recipe for you today. This is our sweet and spicy shrimp, and you will find it in the Chugwater Chili Cookbook on page 125. You guys, this is a delicious recipe to use just as we come into spring and you're looking for that little bit lighter fare, or because it is our Lenten season, for those people who do observe that, this is a great alternative to having your meat on Fridays. So we're going to take about 15 of your jumbo shrimp, which are peeled, and this is great because it's just the frozen and very easy to do. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our olive oil. And today I'm going to use our original Chugwater chili seasoning. If you would like more heat to it, we do have our hot version of our Chugwater chili seasoning. So it's really up to you on how spicy you would care to have this. It just takes 2 tablespoons. I'm going to toss that on top of our shrimp and oil. Give it a nice coating. You could let your shrimp thaw before you do this too. And then I'm going to put it onto our pan, which has already been lined and sprayed with our vegetable spray. Spread those out a little bit so they heat evenly. And we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. At about halfway through, so at about 10 minutes or so, go ahead and take some tongs and flip those shrimp over so they can bake evenly on the other side. So after our 350 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes total, we're going to create a glaze with our red pepper jelly. This is a Chugwater chili red pepper jelly, mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. Just stir that up so it's well combined. And after your shrimp is done, go ahead and take a basting brush and dip it into your glaze, brush it over your fully cooked shrimp, and then bake it for an additional 5 minutes on broil so that it gets that nice bubbly, crusty finish to it. This is fantastic to use as your Easter time special treat. It's great to use if you've got folks over for a game, or like I said, just doing it as a spring lighter fare. You can also do this on your grill, so don't feel limited by being indoors. Thanks so much, and we hope you have a great spring.